Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, by the title, you can already tell that I'm doing a makeup tutorial. This is just my everyday makeup that I do when I'm going out. Honestly, this is probably my go-to makeup tutorial. Just like a chill, you still want to look glam but simple. Every week I do a lot of college talk, makeup, lifestyle, just really all about me. I'm not limiting my channel to any like beauty guru type stuff or a vlogging channel. I'm just going to make it lifestyle and do it all in one. So if you want to see how to get this look and how I did my makeup today, then keep watching. Okay, so before I start my makeup, I'm going to start by putting on some chapstick. Even though I already have some, I'm just going to reapply some because when I do my makeup, it takes forever and my lips get really chapped. And if you know me, you know that I love lip gloss. So my favorite lip gloss right now is actually Fenty Beauty. This one right here. You see it? It's called Fenty, I don't think you'll be able to see that, but it's called Fenty Glow. And I just put it on. It's really nice, really clear, it's pretty thick, and I actually like thick lip gloss. I like it more for the summer than fall or winter because it's clear, it's glittery, it's popping, you know, like my lip gloss is popping and stuff like that. And it doesn't have any like really heavy tones. Honestly, it's somewhere between like a clear lip and like a little bit of a hint of a pink lip, which I like. I like natural lips. I'm not really one for like dark lips and other kind of stuff like that people do during the fall. But I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face with the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing, can you see that? Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. And I'm actually about to go out to the mall with some of my girlfriends, so I was like, okay, let me get dressed up. You know, this is like the first move I made all summer because I've been working and school started yesterday. So yeah, and if you're wondering, my necklace is from Tiffany & Co. actually. There it goes. I actually got this for finishing my first year of school and doing good academically and all that. Don't mind my nails. But yeah, it's just a Tiffany & Co. necklace and I'm so in love with it. Thank you, Mom. But, okay, let me go ahead and get this back down here. So, finishing moisturizing. Yeah, I just been working so much and I'm like, oh my God, like, what am I going to do with my life on the weekends when I'm not working? So, I got this dress from Fashion Nova. It's a, I guess, it's shoulderless maxi dress. I really love it. And then after I'm done with my moisturizer, I'm going to go in. I'm just gonna let that sit for a second. Let's just let that sit for a second. I'm just gonna go in and do my eyebrows a little bit. After I'm done with my eyebrows, I go in with the Anastasia Dip Brow. So I use the shade Ebony, and I can't open this because it's so little. And then, like, I use it sometimes, but honestly, not all the time I fill in my eyebrows. But when I'm, like, going out and I want to look good and stuff, then I'll definitely fill in my eyebrows. And then, where is my eyebrow pencil? I, like, just dumped out my makeup bag everywhere, so I'm literally just trying to find everything that I got in here because I have a lot of stuff because I like a lot of variety when it comes to my makeup. Line it under, over, and then fill it. Oh, I also forgot to mention that my mom also got me some Tiffany earrings to go with the Tiffany necklace, so yes. And this is not to be like materialistic, but I know like when I watch stuff, I want to know like where people got their stuff, like what they're wearing, all this other kind of stuff. So I'm just like, okay, this is a necklace from, you know, first year of school, doing good the first year with matching earrings, and this is a Pandora bracelet that I've had since literally like 8th grade, and I've been stacking up, and I just filled it with, it has stuff from like graduation all the way to college, like little charms that represents each thing. So next I'm going to go in with my concealer. I like to use Fenty Beauty. This is not sponsored or anything, but I like to use Fenty Beauty. I have two of them. I have this lighter one, and then I have, I have a lighter one and a darker one. I like to use this one more as a concealer and this one more for correcting. So we're about to go in with that. And then I also like my Marc Jacobs. This is actually foundation that they sent in the like, I think it's a Etsy subscription, but it's supposed to be foundation, but it's so light that I also use it as concealer. And then one last concealer that I have is this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this first. I already moisturized and all that kind of stuff. So I literally, like, if you haven't seen this, then where have you been at? I'm just gonna go in and do this. I like to go make my triangle. I like to go out and literally just fill that in. I'm not gonna fill it in too much because I am gonna be using other concealers too, because my under eye bags are pretty bad. So with bronzer, I like to, you can already see where you're supposed to bronze right there. I don't know if you can see that dark spot, but I like to go here to make my face look thinner. I like to go on my jawline to make my jawline more snatched, but you don't want to do it too much, because if you have like a little double chin like I do, then you'll be able to see like that you bronze your jawline. You don't want that. We're about to go in with some eyeshadow. Okay, so I have the Dare to Create, can you see that? Dare to Create 39A Morphe palette. I was actually looking up like if they even sell these anymore, and I couldn't find it. So I don't know if they just stopped selling it, if I was just doing a bad job looking for it. But it says, be your own muse, we dare you. So just like be yourself, do your own makeup looks, like I dare you to do your own makeup look. And then it has all these transitioning palettes or transitioning shades that I like to start with, and then some days I'll do like this family. I think of them as families. Like there's like the blue family, then like the green family, the red family, and the brown family. Like the brown family. But yeah, so I don't know, I think I want to do a little bit of a mixture of a family and do a like brown gold shade, if that makes sense, because I don't really want to do a blue shade just because I'm wearing a blue dress. I don't know, I think that will kind of look tacky unless I can really pull it off. But I think I want to do, let's see, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with a mixture of these two colors in my crease. So then I'm going to go in with this light brown color, and I'm going to work with the same brush, and I'm going to work my way just a little bit below, like in the actual crease, just to deepen up my eyes and to make them look like bigger than what they really are. Alright, so now I always love having like glitter in the middle of my eye. Like you can tell that we didn't really work with like the middle, like it's kind of bare on the middle. So I like using, honestly, this is what makes all my eyeshadow looks look the same, because I just use different outer, like I just build different on the outside, and then I usually go in with like either this gold or this like coppery gold in the brown family, or this pinkish gold in like the purple red family. But today I'm definitely going for my go-to gold in the gold family. And what I like to do is I like to get my Tarte Rainforest Sea, you can't really see it, but it's called Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. It's a marine boosting mist, and I like to spray it on my makeup brushes and then put on the gold onto, alright, now it's getting a little annoying, but onto my lid. Spray it, get it wet, and I just spray my mirror so much. That's why my mirror is dirty. Probably, maybe. And while it's still wet, I like to go in with this gold color, just pack it down, and you can see how much gold. You can't really see like the detail, but you can just see how much gold that it picked up. And then I'm going to wipe off my mirror because it's wet from the Tarte stuff. And then I'm just going to put it in there. I'm just gonna gently, slowly, surely pack it in there. It's more of a like metallic-y gold. And I like the other gold. I bought a single from Urban Decay and it was just like a pure gold. And it's right here. It's like a pure gold. It's called Baked. It's a Baked Urban Decay single. And it's a gold. And then because my brush is still wet, I'll just go in with that. And I'll go over that, and oh yeah, this is way better. Here we go. My tips and tricks on doing lashes is, some people cut them to their eye shape. I've actually never had to cut my eyelashes to my eye shape. So I get my duo. I put the glue on the line, not a lot, sis, because the more you put on, the more you're gonna have to wait for it to dry. Just a little bit, just like a little strip. And I make sure to put more on the outer two corners. And then I just wait 60 seconds, that way the glue is like tacky and a little bit sticky, because right now it's just wet. But if you wait until it gets tacky and sticky, that's exactly when you want it. And then while I'm doing that, I go like this to my eyelashes just to get like that shape. Now you see how it has more of like a bent shape than it was when it had just a straight line. So when I picked it up, it looked just like this. But when you go like that, it has more of a curve to it, so it can fit to your eyes. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora brush. Here you go. This is Sephora, and it is the Pro Highlight Illuminer 98. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm gonna go with my Smashbox. I have Fenty Beauty, the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, but it's just like a little much for me because when I put it on and like it's like yellow, and it looks good on some skin tones, but I just can't pull it off. I feel personally I can't pull it off. So okay, so the Smashbox thing has 3 shades. It has this like blushy shade, this like champagne shade, a gold shade, and the pink shade. I like the gold shade because it goes better with my skin tone. So I just go like this. And then I just find the high points of my cheeks. I'm really pretty happy with this look. Okay, and then I'm gonna get like a smidge, like sis, a smidge of Fenty Wife, or Trophy Wife, sorry. Because a little bit goes such a long way. Like look, I don't know if you probably can't even see it. Yeah, right there. I did a little smidge and it's already coming off. Alright, so I'm literally gonna do like a 1-2. Get the majority of it off and then just match it on top of the highlight. Let's see if it's even coming. 1-2, majority. 1-2. So when you use it in moderation, it doesn't look that bad. So yes ma'am, that is my makeup tutorial. I'm just gonna go back in with my Fenty. I'm gonna go back in with my Fenty Glow for the last time, right here, and reapply. There you go. I'm all ready for the mall. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you've gotten this far, then shout out to you. I love you so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be trying to post videos once a week. I think that's what I'm kind of feeling now. Posting videos once a week is probably going to be on the weekends because I do work the typical 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. So yes, this is the makeup. This is like the go-to makeup I would go for. It's like a chill. You still want to look glam but simple. You don't want to look like too much. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.